I'm Julian David, and today we're diving into the world of creating signature gated reverb sounds using Cinematic Room's professional and lustrous plates. The dynamic sections in these plugins stand out because they allow us to trigger the gate based on the input signal, enabling us to affect only the reverb tail. This opens up new possibilities for precision and creativity in your mixes. Here's my drum loop without any reverb. Now let's load up an instance of Cinematic Room's Professional and dial in a gated reverb patch. What sets this plugin apart is the ability to choose the sidechain trigger for the built-in ducker and gate. In addition to the target signal trigger, which can either be the wet or late reverb output of the plugin, we can choose to trigger using the input signal or an external sidechain signal. With the input trigger, we can precisely control the gate's behavior independent from our other reverb settings. Notice how the gate opens and closes in response to the dry drum hits, creating that characteristic 80s sound.